Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. This lip color probably is a little too light for me. I've been looking for like a peachy nude for fair skin. If anybody has a good peachy nude lip, please comment down below and let me know what it is. Okay, so as you can see from my dark circles under my eyes, I don't have concealer on because I'm trying a new concealer today. It is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. This puppy retails for $8.49 and you get 0.11 fluid ounces, which is pretty standard for a concealer. And this comes in 24 shades, which is a decent amount of shades. I really like it. It says this is a matte formula, which might not be good for my dry skin. To camouflage imperfections, brighten up your face, and contour those features to protection. Protection? Perfection. Contour those features to perfection. God, I can't say that. This is full coverage and supposed to last up to 24 hours. So I am not going to waste any time. I'm just going to get into this, see what it does. I already have my Beauty Blender dampened, and then I'm going to set it with my Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. So let's just start slapping some of this on. Blend it out. So we're getting close to Christmas. My Christmas shopping has been done since like Thanksgiving, and I did like 95% of it online. And anytime I go out, especially on the weekends, it is like chaos. It's awful. Okay, so that's not bad. I'm gonna put like another dab on just to get more coverage. Anyway, I find myself not wanting to go anywhere because traffic is just so bad. Thank God for online shopping and free shipping. Okay, coverage is okay, isn't amazing. Let's set this now. I'm quite worried with how this is going to look because it is matte coverage. But I have used the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation and I really like it. It actually works good on my skin. I find a good moisturizing primer helps to counteract some drying foundations and drying formulas. Okay, that was on for like 30 seconds. Kick off that tiny bit of extra, not really much extra. And let's see. This isn't bad. It looks better in the monitor. In real life, I can still see some of my under eye baggage, some of my deep, dark circles on my under eye, but it's not terrible. It was nice and creamy. So as always, I'm gonna give this a bit of a wear test, let you guys know how it's looking, and hopefully it looks good because this is a nice, cheap concealer. All right, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so it has been 6 hours and I am having minimal to no creasing. Granted, the coverage isn't that amazing and there is a little bit of creasing, but for me, that's actually pretty minimal. So this is not a bad concealer for $8.49. For me, I will use it on days when I'm kind of doing no makeup, but for my regular, everyday, really full coverage, I will be sticking with my Too Faced Super Coverage Concealer and my Jouer Essentials Concealer. But for drugstore brand, this is pretty good. So if you're looking for a good, natural looking concealer for a good price, definitely try this guy out. I don't think it would hurt at all. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.